Welcome to Curious Kids.
Yay! This is a rocket.
A rocket flies very fast and very high into space, carrying astronauts or satellites.
This is an airplane.
An airplane flies in the sky and carries people to faraway places.
This is a fighter jet.
A fighter jet is a fast airplane used by the army to protect the country.
This is a paraglider.
A paraglider is like a big cloth wing that lets a person float and fly with the wind.
This is a jetpack.
A jetpack is worn on the back and helps a person fly in the air with small engines.
This is a gyrocopter.
A gyrocopter is a tiny helicopter-like plane with spinning blades on top.
This is a hang glider.
A hang glider looks like a big triangle wing that lets a person glide down from hills and mountains.
This is a supersonic jet.
A supersonic jet is an airplane that flies faster than the speed of sound.
This is a cargo plane.
A cargo plane is very big and carries heavy goods and packages instead of people.
This is a stealth bomber.
A stealth bomber is a special military plane that can fly without being easily seen by radar.
This is an air ambulance.
An air ambulance is a helicopter or airplane that carries sick people quickly to the hospital.
This is a military transport aircraft.
A military transport aircraft carries soldiers, tanks, and supplies for the army.
This is a medical drone.
A medical drone is a small flying machine that delivers medicines and blood to faraway places.
This is a surveillance drone.
A surveillance drone is a flying machine with cameras that watches places from the sky to keep people safe.
This is a hot air balloon.
A hot air balloon floats in the sky using hot air and looks like a giant, colorful balloon.
This is a blimp.
A blimp is a big airship filled with gas that floats and moves slowly in the sky.
This is a spaceship.
A spaceship flies into outer space and carries astronauts to the moon, planets, or space stations.
This is a cable car.
A cable car hangs from strong ropes and carries people over mountains or rivers. Wow, kids! Now you know the names of so many air vehicles and what they do. Learning is so much fun, isn't it? And don't forget to subscribe to Curious Kids so you can learn something new every day.